So your second choice for mic selection would be your shotgun microphone in the blue box. So first you want to obviously take it out of the box, and you have a few components in there. You have the microphone itself, and then you have its windscreen, which you can put on. The next thing you need to do with the shotgun microphone is to attach it to a shock mount. So here, again, you'd have to go across the hall for the shock mount. You would get the shock mount. And the shock mount now needs to be placed on the boom pole. We'll actually do that first because it's easier to set up the shock mount and the boom pole and then attach the microphone. So we're going to do that. You'll notice that this here can move out either way, so we can move it in and out. I want to move it out a little bit so we can get ready to put it on. Then we have our boom pole, which again, we go and get from across the hall. Okay, so you have your grip, and then you have your telescoping features, and then this is where it gets attached. Take off the protective cover, take the shock mount, and attach it to get that groove in there really good. There we go. Attach that there. It's coming. Give it a second. There. Make sure it's all the way attached. It might take a little bit, but it will. Then you take the shotgun microphone, press down on these clips, and insert it into the shock mount. Then obviously once that's all done, now is time where you can take your XLR cable and connect it right into the back of the microphone and have it snap right in there. Okay? So now you have that there. This is a little loose, so you want to make sure that some of the connections, you can notice that this is slipping down as I'm trying to demonstrate it to you. So you need to make sure each of your telescoping points is locked down once you get the position that you need, okay, just by turning it. And now you have your boom pole set up. So instead of demonstrating without a subject how you do mic placement with the shotgun, I'm just going to give you some general tips to consider. Again, it's about getting as close as you can to the actor, meaning the source to mic ratio, getting that as tight as you can, but also keeping the microphone out of the camera shot and watching for reflecting of the lights. So you have a few considerations. You need to think about your mic to source ratio and getting clean audio. B, you need to make sure that you're not in any camera shots. And C, you need to make sure that your boom pole is not creating cast shadows that are impacting the filming of the show.